something in my water. Usually it's berries or cucumbers, mint, fresh squeezed orange juice or lemon juice. Today I'm gonna put some orange juice in my water, just a little bit. I always like to liven up my water since it's dead. It's sitting on a shelf for years and years. Just wanna make it alive. Give it a little flavor as well. And in case you're wondering what's inside my Parasite cleanse, or my doo-doo water as I call it, we've got wormwood, clove, black walnut, quassia, peppermint, male fern, hyssop, fennel, and cramp bark. I got it from a place called High Vibe here in New York. The instructions are kind of insane. Check this out. Take an 1/8 teaspoon twice a day with 8 ounces of liquid for 21 days. Stop for 2 days and then resume for 90 more days. So in case you're wondering, here's what it does. It kills parasites in their eggs, expels parasites from your body, fights candida, heals digestive disorders, relieves bloating, stomach pain and gases, fights bacterial and fungal infection, okay? And I can definitely attest that this makes me regular much more, because I always go to the bathroom in the morning, but ever since taking this, now I go in the afternoon and in the evening sometimes. So I always go 2 to 3 times a day now, which is amazing. Now let's talk about the symptoms of parasite infection: chronic diarrhea and chronic constipation. Okay, if you are only going to the bathroom once a day, you are constipated. Intestinal cramps, dizziness, indigestion, stomach pain, and bloating, which is what I have. I have very bad bloating. Multiple food allergies, itching around the anus. Oof, not cute. I don't have that. Change in appetite, restlessness and difficulty sleeping, muscle pain, and anemia. Okay, so those are some of the symptoms of parasite infestation. But there's many more, you know, not being able to sleep, not being able to concentrate and focus. Okay, so once I'm done, then I move on to my doo-doo water. Some people enjoy a nice cup of coffee on their balcony. I'm gonna enjoy a nice cup of doo-doo water on mine. Oof, it's very cold. Very, very, very cold. Whew. Okay, I definitely can't stay out here. It's 56 degrees. And while this is freezing right now, I know that it is way colder in New York, so I gotta be grateful. But it is very, very, very cold. Very cold. Oof. Cheers. Cheers, Miami. Okay, so here is what I'm gonna have for breakfast. 3 sumos, coconut water. So this is about approximately 4 cups of coconut water, 3 sumo oranges, and then maybe I'll have some strawberries. That's breakfast. Bringing that to the beach. Boo boo. Hi. Hey guys, so I want to take you on a day with me here in Miami. So I am traveling by myself for the first time, and I have to say it's amazing. I'm so happy that I decided to do this, and I want to take you with me. So let's go. You like the fit? We got the watermelon, we got the Ray-Bans. We good. You good? I'm good. What are you guys doing? Pretty badly sunburned, so I can't stay at the beach. Like it hurts. So now looking for sugarcane juice. We gonna see. Combo ever. I just cut the date, I peel the date in half. I like to do this with the Deglet Noir. I always feel so fancy when I say that. The Deglet Noir dates. Just rip them in half, put them in the celery. Literally, I never thought that this would be one of my favorite snacks, but this is literally one of my favorite snacks ever. Ever. If you would have asked me even a year ago, I always hated celery, but the crazy thing is, I've been drinking celery juice every morning for about a month, and I'm starting to like crave celery now. And this sweet salty combo, ooh, is good. Probably about 5 things of celery and maybe 10, 15 dates. I don't know. I don't really count. I just eat what I want, when I want, till I'm satisfied. About these, huge mistake. These are fucking disgusting. I also love this combo too. I call this Taco Tuesday, even though today is Wednesday, I think. I Actually, no, today's Tuesday. Oh, shit. Just put in some dates. You know, I do usually rip them in half. All right. And then just roll it up. Nothing fancy, y'all. This ain't fancy shit. And then you eat it like a motherfucking taco. I'm telling you right now, this is fucking delicious. I know, you probably think I'm crazy. And I am a little crazy. But this is fucking delicious. You gotta try it. If you're a raw vegan, if you're trying to eat mucusless, this is so fucking good. You know what the best part of this is? The best part is that it takes less than 2 seconds, literally 2 seconds to make. That's what I love, because I don't like to be in the kitchen. Not at all. So, that was a mistake. But, this right here, oh shit. This is fucking delicious. Whew. So, I went for a swim in the ocean. Very hungry after my swim. I scarfed down probably about 15 dates, lettuce, celery, 2 banana balls, and 2 bites of pineapple carrot cake, something, something. All right, now I feel good. And I had a half papaya too. Okay, I feel good, nice and full. And I'm either gonna head to the mall or to the gym. Either way, I'll see you later for dinner. Bye. Remember when I said these were not good? Well, I still ate them because apparently they are good with tomato. So I had them with a tomato and they were good then. So there you go. Two of these.
Something that doesn't make you feel anything, with something that you have an automatic reaction to. Like, imagine...
And one little piece of this. Maybe it doesn't look too good, but
This is so good. Carrots. Organic sprouted whole wheat. I don't know what that is. Huh. Fresh golden sweet pineapple. Organic dried pineapple. Organic dates, organic raisins, organic raw cashews, organic raw walnuts, organic coconut, organic raw agave. I don't like agave. Organic fresh squeezed orange juice, Celtic sea salt, cinnamon, and organic nutmeg. That's raw vegan pineapple carrot cake. Whew.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.